Did I mention to you guys that it's cold out here? The sun's going down. It's winter time at the Wildcat, and you know, I can't think of a better race to have on such a blustery, cold freaking day. Well, first of all, let me show you. I got a couple new cars here. See those two minis up in the front? Those are Johnny Lightnings. Those came in my haul that I got last night. And EnZed Racing might recognize the orange one and the white one. And these two in the front, I don't know if you'd seen those before. Now check out the other minis. Okay, thought I'd get them all out there. Okay, the front three have no tires. The white one nearest to us that has no tires. Everybody else, except for this blue one, has one tire on it. Okay, with the minis, I don't know, it does matter a little bit, but this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Count them, there's a lot of minis there. 15 minis, holy crap. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Holy carnage. Well, you know, that wasn't all that bad, considering all the traffic on the road. And those Johnny Lightnings are pretty fast. I think we ought to try a lighter load here with these and just see how, like, maybe 6 of them go. All right, check it out. A little more sensible race here with 6 cars. I mean, they have a chance to all make it now. By the way, this blue Johnny Lightning is a white Lightning. I mean, that's just a beautiful car, and it's very well made. It's the all metal bottom and chassis, but they engineered it to race because the tops are plastic. It's all plastic up here, so that's pretty cool. The Hot Wheels are a little bit different, but once again, they're minis and they're cool. All right, let's check it out. Okay, let's go, minis. I'm gonna wipe out. That was pretty cool. Oh, the orange one with no tires, but no, you stayed on the table. It's pretty cool. You all right in there? Okay, that was fun. Johnny Lightning's no tires. Tires will fit on these Johnny Lightnings, and they're really screaming to be a custom. They're just, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm going to bring some vans up here in just a minute. All right, talking about some Vantastic here. Check these out. The 3 in the front are Ford E150 Johnny Lightnings, just like Sean here in the back, the Spy van, and the yellow one. And then we have a Dodge. This is also a Johnny Lightning. Look at that thing. Parts and service. Okay, well, these are virgins. The Dodge, the 3 in the front are virgins. They've never raced on this track or anywhere. I just pulled them out of the package. So let's see what happens. This could be, all right, I'm gonna say it, Vantastic. Mount Western Raceway, here we come. Okay, this is a serious van race here. I hope I get this shot. Pull for me, guys. Come on, van, stay on the track and give us a show. Let's go. Wow, that was pretty cool. Woohoo! Anybody see who won?